What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video I'm going to do unboxing and review of this disposable coffee cup with lid. So basically comes in this package right here, as you guys can see in this box. So inside right here you can see that there's 50 of the pieces cup, and this cup is 16 ounces, as you can see right there. So looking something like this. I'm just gonna unbox it so you guys see basically what's inside. Pull it right here from the bottom. So as you guys can see, this right here is the lid or the cover, and right here we have the cups. They basically come in this plastic bag right here. We just take them out for a bit. So these are the cup right here, guys. The next pack right here, and here we have some more. So in the pocket we have 50, and we have some of these cardboard that can hold it. So if you have any hot cup of tea inside, basically you'll find it right here. And also we have more of these cardboard, and also we got some straw right here that can use to basically sweeten your tea and things like that. So I'm just gonna set up one now, show you guys. So this is one of the cup. So you can see it is basically 16 ounces, looking pretty neat. Right here we have some of these cardboard box that I'm going to hook up to show you guys how we can basically place it like this. So you can see right here, you can basically slide it on like this. This basically give you some cushion to hold it into place. And now we have some of the covers right here. Just gonna also unbox them. So as you can see guys, I can basically place it onto the cup right here, so it fits perfectly fine onto the top. So looking something like this. And also we have some straw right here, so we can basically use these to sweeten your tea. So this is it right here. So we can basically it looking like this. So it's 2 in 1. This can't really basically pull out, so it basically make onto each other. So we can either use it in the cup right here. So this can basically use when you're drinking like beverage or something like that, but I don't recommend using straw when drinking coffee. But so you can basically use to sweeten your tea as well, like this. You have to find ways to improvise on it, and there are 50 of them that come inside this pocket right here. So these cups are basically disposable, so once you use them you can basically dispose. And yeah, I love this material right here, and it's really great. I love how this on the top right here can basically shut down so that it won't spill your cup inside. See there, basically close, and you can basically spin this right here, as you can see, lift it up to drink maybe like this, which is pretty neat.